Find or read reviews that people are talking about Spurgehom Mini Twin Tub Portable Washing Machine. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Set laundry time freely. The washer and dryer combo is easy to operate. You just need to choose the gentle or normal washing mode, then set the washing time less than 15 minutes or the spinning time less than 5 minutes. The elderly in the family can also easily operate the mini washing machine. Compact twin tub and 20 pounds large capacity. The 2-in-1 washing tub and drying tub of the portable washing machine operate independently, which can wash or spin separately. Gravity drainage for greater durability. 12 pounds washing capacity and 8 pounds spinning capacity of the washing machine can meet the needs of most families. Powerful dual motors. 300-watt wash power and 110-watt spin power make cleaning clothes easier and free your hands. When the dry tub of the clothes washing machines is working, you open the lid of the dry tub, it will immediately stop rotating for maximum protection. Save water and electricity. The portable washer and dryer uses streamlined butterfly wave plate and spray rinse design, which can also be injected with water during the spinning and tumble drying process. Can rinse clothes quickly and save water and electricity to the maximum extent. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching my video. Please press like button and share this video with your friends. Last, don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.